Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Power Automate desktop flow with others. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Power Automate desktop application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation panel there with several options available. Look for and click on Flows. This option will take you to a view where all your created automation flows are displayed, making it easy to manage and organize them. Now, browse through your list of flows and find the specific flow you want to share. Once you've located it, you'll notice a small information icon next to the flow name. This icon typically looks like a small circle with an eye inside it. Go ahead and click on this information icon to access more detailed information about your selected flow. After clicking the information icon, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see several tabs. Click on Details to navigate to the Details tab. This is important because it's where you'll find the specific information you need to share your flow with others. The Details tab contains technical information that allows other users to access and work with your flow. Once you're in the Details tab, you'll be able to see two important pieces of information displayed. These are the run URL and the flow ID. Both of these are essential for sharing your flow as they provide the unique identifiers that others will need to access or reference your automation. The run URL can be used to execute the flow remotely, while the flow ID serves as a unique identifier for your specific automation. To share this information with others, simply click the copy icon next to either the run URL or the flow ID depending on what you need to share. The copy icon is usually represented by two overlapping rectangles. Once you click it, the information will be copied to your clipboard, and you can then paste and send it to your colleagues or team members through email, chat, or any other communication method you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Power Automate desktop flow using the run URL or flow ID. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.